Pineapple salsa?
Okay, let's get to work. I love using fresh pineapple for this salsa. I have a full video on my YouTube channel on how to cut a full pineapple. Go ahead and check that out. I'm using approximately half of the pineapple here, and I am dicing it up quite finely. I like the salsa chunky, so I'm certainly not going to dice it up and mince it, but I will have them in good chunks. We'll go ahead and prep that up, and then we'll set that aside, and we'll move on to our other ingredients. Do me a favor as well, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. You'll be able to see more great recipes. Next up are a couple of limes. I've already rolled them to soften them up. If you have a juicer, go ahead and use that. Here is some nice cilantro. I roll it up and I really chop this up finely, and then I'll go ahead and set that aside as well. So we'll go ahead and add in our pineapple to start. Next up, I have some diced tomato and diced red onion, a few cracks of salt and pepper. There goes that lime juice. And of course, there's that fresh cilantro. Let's give it all a great mix. And we have now got a great pineapple salsa. Salsa is great with fish and chicken. You're sure to enjoy.
That's a delicious pineapple salsa. Boom! Love it.